Transporting your bike securely matters for every ride, whether commuting or weekend adventures. Best single bike hitch rack options combine compact design, solid hitch stability, and easy loading, delivering reliable protection for your bike while keeping vehicle access simple and travel stress-free. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Trail V2 Plus Single Bike Hitch Rack. The Trail V2 Plus Single Bike Hitch Rack is designed with a strong focus on ease of use, stability, and heavy e-bike compatibility, making it a dependable option for riders who want stress-free loading and transport. One of its most practical upgrades is the extended 46-inch loading ramp, which significantly reduces the effort required to load heavier bikes, especially on vehicles with higher hitch receivers. This feature is particularly helpful for seniors or riders who prefer not to lift bulky e-bikes. The included guide kit with repositionable support blocks and fixed slopes improves alignment for wider tires and enhances overall loading safety. Built to handle up to 2 bikes with a total capacity of 170 pounds, it easily supports electric bikes, fat tire bikes up to 5 inches wide, and wheelbases up to 50 inches. The rack fits standard 2-inch hitch receivers and works well with cars, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and crossovers. Security is another strong point, with a keyed hitch lock and integrated wheel locks that help protect bikes during travel or brief stops. Rubber-coated straps and padded clamps minimize the risk of scratches, while the wraparound front cradle and hitch tightener reduce wobble on uneven roads. The 3-point mounting system keeps the bike firmly in place even during long drives. Added convenience comes from the tilt feature for trunk access and the foldable design for compact storage when not in use. Overall, the Trail V2 Plus delivers a balanced mix of strength, safety, and user-friendly design for serious cyclists.
Number 2. Young Electric Single Bike Hitch Rack. The Young Electric Single Bike Hitch Rack is built for riders who need a strong, no-nonsense solution for transporting heavier electric bikes. Constructed from reinforced steel and aluminum, it offers a solid and durable frame capable of carrying a single bike weighing up to 100 pounds. This makes it especially suitable for large e-bikes that standard racks may struggle to support. The one-arm fixing system, secure wheel cradles, and anti-wobble structure work together to keep the bike stable during transport, reducing movement and preventing contact with the vehicle. Designed exclusively for 2-inch hitch receivers, the rack provides a tight, secure fit and resists shaking on rough roads. It comes mostly pre-assembled, which simplifies installation and saves time. The included ramp is a valuable addition, allowing users to roll the bike onto the rack rather than lifting it, and it conveniently stores within the frame when not in use. RV approval adds extra versatility, making it a reliable choice for motorhome travel and long road trips. While the rack does not include a locking hitch pin by default, it uses a sturdy M16 anti-wobble bolt, and a separate hitch lock can be added for increased security. With its straightforward design, strong load capacity, and RV-friendly construction, the Young Electric Rack is a practical choice for riders who prioritize strength, simplicity, and ease of use. Number 3. Rockland Single Bike Hitch Rack. The Rockland Single Bike Hitch Rack, also known as the Rock Rack S1, is a thoughtfully designed carrier that focuses on strength, protection, and ease of loading for heavy e-bikes. With a 100-pound load capacity, it easily supports electric bikes, fat tire bikes, mountain bikes, and standard bicycles. The rack is built from high-strength alloy steel and aluminum, offering durability without unnecessary bulk. One of its standout features is the included loading ramp, which allows riders to roll their bike onto the rack instead of lifting it, making it especially helpful for solo users handling heavier bikes. The rack securely attaches to the rack using a slot and buckle system, ensuring safe and controlled loading. To protect your bike's finish, the rack uses a no-scratch design with soft padding, rubber covers, and ratcheting safety straps that hold the bike firmly while preventing metal-to-metal contact. This helps reduce vibration and movement, even on uneven terrain. The rack accommodates tires up to 5 inches wide and wheelbases up to 50 inches, covering a wide range of modern e-bike designs. An anti-rust coating adds long-term reliability, making it suitable for year-round outdoor use. RV approval further enhances its versatility, allowing riders to transport bikes without sacrificing interior space. Overall, the Rockland Rock delivers a reliable balance of strength, bike protection, and user-friendly loading. Number 4. PacificCrest Single Bike Hitch Rack. The PacificCrest Single Bike Hitch Rack is designed for cyclists who want maximum convenience without sacrificing stability or bike protection. One of its strongest advantages is the smart tilt release feature, which allows full access to your trunk or rear cargo area even when bikes are loaded. This is especially useful during road trips, grocery stops, or outdoor adventures where frequent access to storage is needed. When not in use, the rack folds down neatly against the vehicle, helping save garage space and reducing obstruction in driveways. Built specifically for vehicles with a 2-inch hitch receiver, the rack delivers a solid, rattle-free connection that feels secure on highways, city roads, and rough backcountry routes. Anti-sway cradles and a reinforced locking system work together to minimize movement, keeping bikes steady and preventing contact between them during transport. Setup is refreshingly simple, as everything needed comes in the box, eliminating the need for additional tools. Clear instructions and optional video guidance make installation quick, even for first-time users. With a generous 160-pound total capacity, the PacificCrest rack easily accommodates 2 bikes, including heavier e-bikes and wide fat tire models. Adjustable wheel trays allow to fit a wide range of frame styles and wheel sizes, making it a versatile choice for families or riders with different types of bikes. The overall design feels well thought out, combining ease of use, strong construction, and everyday practicality. Whether you're heading out for a weekend trail ride or a long-distance cycling trip, this rack offers a dependable and user-friendly solution that keeps bikes secure while making vehicle access effortless.
Number 5. INNO INH110 Single Bike Hitch Rack. The INNO INH110 Single Bike Hitch Rack is a refined and bike-friendly solution built for riders who prioritize protection, simplicity, and compatibility with a wide range of bikes. Each tray supports up to 60 pounds, making it suitable for many electric bikes as well as standard road, mountain, and semi-fat tire bicycles. One of its standout features is the no-touch design, which secures bikes without clamping the frame or forks. This makes it an excellent option for carbon frames and high-end bikes where surface protection is critical. The push-button ratchet system is intuitive and efficient, firmly holding bikes in place while offsetting them to prevent handlebars and saddles from rubbing against each other during transport. This thoughtful spacing reduces wear and keeps bikes stable on long drives. The rack accommodates a variety of frame styles and wheel sizes, including 29ers and tires up to 3.5 inches wide, offering impressive versatility. Another major advantage is its dual receiver compatibility, as it fits both 1.25-inch and 2-inch hitches using the included adapter. This makes it adaptable across multiple vehicles without needing extra accessories. When not in use, the foldable trays help reduce bulk, and the tilt-down feature allows easy access to the trunk or rear hatch. Operation feels smooth and well-balanced with an easy pull lever that simplifies adjustments. Overall, the INNO INH110 delivers a clean, reliable, and protective transport solution, making it a strong choice for riders who want hassle-free loading, excellent bike security, and long-term durability. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.